service in Melbourne
What
has
the
issued
hell?
a special marine warning for flood to Volusia-Brevard County, line 20 to 60 nautical miles. Volusia-Brevard County, line to Sebastian Inlet 0 to 20 nautical miles. Volusia-Brevard County, line to Sebastian Inlet 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 38 nautical miles northeast of Apollo Beach to 22 nautical miles east of Clarinda Beach to 14 nautical miles northeast of the Atlantic, moving east at 30 knots. Hazards, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Intact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.